Our Washington-grown team has a few proud graduates of Washington State University. That's why we're down in Pullman tonight for one of Pullman's proudest traditions, football.
Tonight it's WSU versus Utah State.
Brandy Tucker is the director of marketing for the Washington State Potato Commission. She and her team are down here tonight cheering on the Cougs and Washington potatoes.
Today we're in Pullman promoting Washington potatoes. There is a lot of misconceptions that Washington doesn't grow a lot of potatoes, but we actually grow about 44% more per acre than any other state in the nation. Tonight we've got our fry van here. We bring it to athletic events to promote how healthy potatoes are for athletes. One big misconception is that only fresh vegetables are healthy, but that's not necessarily the case.
She's right. To make the perfect fry, you only need 3 ingredients: fresh Washington potatoes, healthy oils to cook them in, and a little salt for flavor.
Come on by and get some free French fries, all grown in Washington.
Now it's time for some fresh fries right out of the fryer.
Free fries, how can you deny it? Yeah, it's awesome.
We're gonna do this one. There you go.
Oh, okay. These are really good.
It's nice and meaty. It's a meaty fry.
The inside's soft, the outside's crunchy. That's what you want.
I'm gonna have another one just to make sure.
They're excellent. Really, really good.
They're crispy, they're fluffy. It's like a lime, you gotta be light on the feet, but you gotta be heavy.
It feels like it's an actual real potato.
Now, Brandy is a UW fan through and through, Wazoo's biggest rival, so we had to make her give us a Go Cougs.
Go Cougs. I looked at the camera. I know, I can't do it. Go Cougs, go Cougs.
Nice try, Brandy, but let's show you how Wazoo really celebrates.
Go Cougs! Go Cougs!
Go Cougs!
Go Washington potatoes!
Washington potatoes!
Not Idaho, Washington. Yeah.